Today, we will be talking about the e-commerce subscription model. Recurring charges are payments that your customers make regularly, such as monthly, quarterly, or annually, for access to your offerings. This is also called subscription-based or membership-based pricing, and it has many benefits for you and your customers. Recurring charges give you a steady and predictable income stream that helps you plan your budget and expenses. You don't have to worry about seasonal fluctuations or one-time sales. You can also invest more in improving your products or services. Recurring charges increase customer retention and loyalty, as they create a sense of commitment and value for your customers. They are more likely to use your products or services regularly, and to recommend them to others. You can also offer incentives and rewards for renewing or upgrading their subscriptions. Recurring charges allow you to scale your business faster and easier, as you can reach more customers with less marketing effort. You don't have to spend a lot of time and money on acquiring new customers, as you can focus on retaining and satisfying your existing ones. You can also leverage word of mouth and referrals from your happy subscribers. So, how can you transition to an e-commerce subscription model? Here are a few steps that you need to take. First, identify your target market and their needs and preferences. Second, design your products or services in a way that delivers value and solves problems for your customers. Third, set up a pricing strategy that is fair and attractive for both you and your customers. Fourth, create a well-planned marketing campaign. Clearly communicate the benefits of subscribing and how it is better compared to regular purchases or competitors. Fifth, use a reliable and secure payment platform that handles the billing and collection of recurring charges, such as SubscriptionFlow, to ensure a seamless and fast experience for customers. Finally, monitor and optimize your performance and customer feedback, and make adjustments as needed. Expanding into e-commerce subscriptions can be a rewarding journey for your businesses. While concerns are natural, with the right strategies, preparations, and a customer-centric approach, you can unlock the potential of recurring revenue and customer loyalty. Using SubscriptionFlow will make this transition extremely easy. By having numerous features such as recurring charges, support for Shopify and Wix, customer data management, custom checkout pages, and extremely fast and reliable customer support, your business will get a huge boost into the new digital subscription-based world. Be sure to subscribe to learn more about subscriptions and SubscriptionFlow.